Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about how to load the environment variables from the .env file in the Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically this is the not the correct way to load the data. So basically here you can see that we have hard coded the data over here, so it will breach the security. Okay, so that reason what we have to do, we have to load it from the .env file. Okay, so what we have to do, in the root we have to create the .env file and put the credentials over there. Okay, so put the credentials like this. Okay, and what we have to do, right? So you have to import the OS from this library and load data from the .env. Okay, so this is very important. If you are just writing this and not this, that means it will not coming the as an environment variable, so it will give you the issue, right? So make sure you have to add these two lines also. Okay, so how to get the environment variables from the .env file with the help of os.getEnv. Okay, and by I have already print the sender email. If I just go there, and here you can see it prints, right? So whatever value you want to print, the password you want to print, just add this here, just print it, and it will come over here. Okay, so this is how you can load environment variables from the .env files using the Python. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. In the coming videos we have to go with how to attach the PDF to your emails while creating the PDF. So we will create the PDF first, then we will going to attach that as an attachment and send that email. This tutorial is pending. Another tutorial like how to attach the email templates. Sometimes we have to create the templates, dynamic email templates, which is missing. So we have to learn in the next coming videos. So be with me. Thank you so much for watching this videos. Have a great day.